In this video, I'm going to talk about how I use the eraser tool in Photoshop. I never used to use the actual eraser, which you can see up here in the tools. I just kind of edited the vectors, and now I've started using the eraser, and you might already use it in this way, but for me, it's really made things a lot faster. So if you don't use it this way, I really recommend it. So I want to show you first how I used to do things, and then quickly show you how much faster it is now that I've changed over to the eraser. So I have my logo where most of it is on the second layer, but the first layer has my yellow circle. And I'm going to add a shadow to this yellow circle. So what I did in the past was I would copy the yellow circle, Control C, paste it, Control F, which pastes it directly in front. And then I would usually first I have to make it a little bit of a darker color because it's going to be a shadow. So I would make this clipping mask, Object, Clipping Mask, Make, and then I would have a little shadow as if this was a ball or something, a very poorly rendered shadow. But now I have a much faster way of doing that. So deleting that. Now, and deleting that clipping mask. All right, so now I'm back to this circle, and what I do is Control Copy, Control F for front. Again, I'm going to make it that darker color. And then while I still have the top dark circle selected, I'm going to select my eraser and just make a quick line. And now I'm going to delete the second part. If I didn't have it selected, if I just had this as is and I made a line, it's going to erase both pieces. So you want to make sure just the piece that you want to select, that you want to erase is selected. But as you can see, it's just one quick step to erase rather than making a clipping mask of the shape that you want. And by copying it and putting it directly on top, you know that it's going to line up exactly with what you're doing.